This is Screencast. It's a tool that allows you to easily create, edit, and communicate with videos and images. It's simple and intuitive tools to share your ideas according to their website. It's easy to use and free to download. There are options to play and you get more out of it. For example, here are the business plans and the prices. And then here are the education plans and prices. The biggest difference between the free and the paid plans is that you just get more out of it. You can do video quizzes, polls, edit it more. You get unlimited recording time as opposed to getting 15 minutes with the free version. And you get more options just to enhance and edit your product. 3 reasons why it's helpful is that it is free to use. It's easy to demonstrate what you want from learners in a particular assignment by being able to record your screen. And you're able to draw and edit it even on the free version. So if I wanted to do a simple lesson here, I can both record my screen and draw and edit as I go.